Hi guys!
Hola a todos.
So, how are you guys on this beautiful day?
Yeah, here is very hot.
Yeah, I have to turn on the AC because I can't stand these 41 degrees. So,
But we are enjoying the time and we're happy to be here with you. So today, what we are going to do, Katy?
we're gonna basically create an Instagram filter with Spark AI. And it's gonna be very fun, and it's gonna be a personalized filter that you're gonna do by yourself, and you can do it at the same time as us. So you can connect yourself in what's you can put here the what is it?
You can go. Is going to show you what are the requirements that we need you to go and search right now. Enjoy this time and go search in Google Spark AR. For those who had never heard about that, Spark AR is like a Photoshop to modify your picture or a sketch to create a 3D models. Only that in this case, we are going to use something called augmented reality. Have you ever heard about augmented reality? Well, Kat is going to explain you real quick what is it.
Okay, so very simple. Augmented reality is basically, when you have an Instagram filter or you see different objects in your phone, like on your screen, and they look very like realistic, but they aren't. So we both know they aren't true. So that's basically augmented reality. It's virtual objects in real world.
Exactly. We have been using that for a while. Did you remember, for example, Pokemon Go?
Oh yeah.
The application that you can catch the different Pokemons in the city.
That was something.
Well, that's an example of augmented reality. Also, it can be used not only for Instagram or Snapchat filter, but something more professional. For example, IKEA use augmented realities to show how the furniture will look in your home in real time. That's pretty cool, no?
Oh, I remember I used to do that when we went to go into again the computers, and then you could like create your dream room. It was really cool.
Exactly. So just imagine about the different opportunities that you can have using this type of technology. You are really amazed about all the potential that this can bring to the world.
Yeah.
But for now, let's use the most common use that is
Instagram filters.
Instagram and
Snapchat filters. Basically.
exactly. And today, ¿no estás conectada?
Yes, I am. Oh la la. I am.
So
sorry.
today, what we are going to do is to show you the basic or how to use Spark AR, that is the software that can teach you that have a lot of libraries where you can create Instagram filters, but also where you can create Facebook projections. You can create business opportunities, marketing campaigns.
Yeah. Okay, so really quickly, I have to connect myself.
Yes, so Kathy is going to connect pretty quickly.
Oh, really? Spark AI, if you haven't downloaded, make sure to download it so you can do the project at the same time as us.
But I would recommend for now just listen, ask your questions, and later on you can download.
Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen really quickly. Share screen.
Let's going to see what's happened when Kathy show the screen.
Okay, add to stream. Okay, so basically, as you can see here, it's a filter that I made not so long ago, and I customized it by myself. So it says my name and it has little butterflies. So we're gonna teach you today how to make a filter really basic like this, very easily.
But something that we want to integrate in this filter is maybe to use the
Yes, we're still getting to know the.
the sense of the camera.
Yeah, it's very hard.
So, what are going to try to integrate is a face mask that say Black Lives Matter.
Because we know that this movement has been going for quite a bit right now, and it's a very good one.
Yeah, and to show you an example that you can create a sensibilization campaign using simple stuff.
Okay, so
To start there, what we are going to do is to show you Spark AR as one.
Okay.
So, Kathy, can you show us starting by creating a new project?
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna open a new one right here. I'm gonna show you a little bit how it works. Okay, so here when you start here, you can see the person, which is your avatar. You can also use your computer camera to test your filters, but here there have been different types of testing people, as you can see here. Okay, I'm gonna click on them like this. Okay.
Those avatars are real people who can show you in real time what it will look like your filter when you are going to apply it.
Okay, then when you first start here, you have your camera, you have your like ambient lights because you can play with them here. And this, you don't need to use it right now because it's a little bit more advanced, but it also works.
So in this part, the scene part, you're going to see all the different elements that your device, it could be your cell phone or your tablet, have. As you can see, it have a camera, it have a microphone, and what we are going to do is to add objects, add layers, that as you can see, we can add a plant tracker, a face tracker,
A face mesh,
a 3D object, and a lot of things. Even particles or speakers to react, to make your filter react for different sensorial movement.
Oh, and here you can also, if you have like, there's different iOS devices, Android devices, you can change like the sense of your phone.
So like that you can watch how it will be depending on which phone do you have.
Okay, so we're gonna, oh, here are the,
So here we have also the assets part, and what it means is the part where you are going to upload or import the elements that you are going to use. As you can see, you can import from your computer. This means if you have any image or video or something that you are going to add to your filter, but also we have a AR library. An AR library is it's like it's a library where you can find 3D objects, audio samples, different textures.
textures. Explain to him what is texture.
What's a
Textures
texture?
are, it's like basically the different items that you're gonna put on the filter. Is it?
Exactly.
Exactly. Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly. And
Oh,
it's
yeah.
pretty cool because sometimes you don't need to start from the bottom, start from zero. You can just share there an element, and probably you will find
One euro.
someone who already done. For example, we search, I don't know, butterflies.
Butterflies. Let me see. It's a little bit slow because I have two. Yeah, you can see them here. There isn't. It's just that it's a little bit slow right now because I have two projects going on, and yeah, Spark AI. What you have to do is you have to try to have the less windows open, and like Google. If you have a lot of windows like me, I had like 10, and then it was bugging a lot. So basically, try to have the minimalistic things.
Yeah, if you have like more than 20 on the Google Chrome, you are in her team.
Yeah. So don't make that error. And when you use Spark AI, just try to use that app. And basically, if you're trying to import pictures, use one thing in Google.
So in this bar, you can see that when you select a different input, for example, a microphone,
Right now, it has nothing.
you right now have nothing, but what I want to tell you is that it will show you the properties, different properties that you can have for your input. In this case, we are going to let it like that, and here the final part is the view bar, which you can find, you can move, you can explore the plan. And with these different elements, you can change the way how you interact with
Wait, it's slow.
your machine.
Okay, wait, Anthony, it's slow. Thank you.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, so basically, what we're going to do here is I'm going to start with this project. It's just that. So to start a face mesh like the one I did, what we're going to do is we're going to go on help and we're going to look and we're going to click here that says download face assets. What it's going to do, it's going to give us, it's going to go to a website. Wait 2 seconds. It's going to go in a website where you're going to download, basically it's faces, different type of like faces. It's very scary at first, I'm not gonna lie, but it's just to have a template of how it would look with your face.
Yeah, so basically what it's going to show you is a
okay, I'm gonna
two-dimension image that you can use as a reflect to know in which part of the image will show the different elements. As you saw for the butterflies that Katy have the tattoo in the face, it's just a simple image, and Katy put the element in a different part of on the face, and when they download.
Okay, I'm just gonna go really quickly here, show you. Okay, it's gonna bring you right here. Oh la la. Yeah, it's supposed to be, yeah.
Just a second.
Okay, it's gonna bring you right here when you click on download face assets, and what you have to do is gonna show you this. You have to click right here, download the face assets here. I've downloaded them, but I'm going to download them once again. It's gonna click on a folder here. Takes a little bit of time, but it's going to download these faces and meshes, different meshes. Voila. Okay. When you open the folder, you're gonna see here. You click on face assets.
No compartiste toda la pantalla.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Comparte todo.
Yeah, I have to.
It's just a second.
Right.
Integrate.
Auto. No. Okay, so we go here. Okay, it's gonna go here. Yeah. So I go on textures. And then, as you can see here, I'm gonna put face feminine. It's gonna show you, this is like the picture that you're going to use. Wait, it's showing. This is a picture that you're going to use where you're gonna put all your little objects that you want to put on your filter.
It's weird, no?
Yeah, it's very weird. This is the feminine one. There's also a masculine one. Okay, so what I used to change every single item is go on Canvas right here. I go on canvas.com, or you can go on basically any website where you can Photoshop a picture or anything. Right here, I'm going to create a new design. Logo, let's say. If you haven't used Canvas, it's very easy to do. but it's preferable if you have a website where you can download it a transparent background. Okay, so I'm going to go here, go on uploads.
A little pause, waiting that Kathy use Canva is to tell you Canva is a very useful website where you can create a lot of things. You can create a marketing campaign, but also you can create your CV. You can create. What more have you used Canva?
Oof, I've used it for posters when I've
Ooh.
in class. We had to make posters in English class also, and so I made posters, and they look very professional. I like it,
Yeah.
and you can customize it. If you can see, I don't know if you can see a little bit, but I have a wall. I have a bunch of pictures, and I edited all those pictures in that wall in Canvas. It took me some time, but it was worth it. I don't know if you can see. It's like right there.
So yeah, that was pretty cool. I have been using Canva to do my pitch presentation.
Oh yeah.
Present any project. It's so more easy to use. So here is Kathy.
Oh la la. Okay. It's deleting some items. Okay. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna just go. Do I have to design? Yeah, I have to design. Don't I? Just here. Can you stop sharing, please? 2 seconds. Yeah, thank you.
What we are going to use right now is to go back to Spark AR.
Okay, so what I did is here. I'm gonna go here. Upload.
We're going to go back to Spark AR and to show you how to create that project.
No, wait. I'm just gonna show him 2 seconds. The design, like how you create it. So basically, you won't upload everything. Here. Okay, I have to move this. You won't need to upload everything with the face. The face is just here as a template to help you guide yourself. So right here, as you can see it, I have the Black Lives Matter mask that I've created. I'm just gonna do this. The idea is that it covers up the face where you want it to cover. So as you can see here, I'm aligning everything. And at the end, what I'm going to do is just take the last part and just erase it. Boom. And you're gonna download this image right here. And preferably, you're gonna do it on a transparent background so you can use it there. Okay. I have it already downloaded, but you just download it here in a transparent background. I'm gonna go back to Spark AR right here. Okay. So this, okay. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. Okay. So what the first thing that we're gonna do here is we're gonna add the face tracker. This is basically going to see here all your face and track where your filter has to go in. Voila. Then I'm going to add an asset right here. I'm going to add a material.
Okay, a material is simply an element that will appear in your screen. So that's the virtual object that Kathy was talking about that we are going to create.
Perfect. Then wait, I'm looking for it. Okay, in the material, as you can see, there's different. How can I say this? The name of this?
Different properties.
Yeah, different properties. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new texture, which is going to be our image. Right here, I have it. Yeah, it's down. Is it? Yeah. This is the Black Lives Matter thing. Okay, I'm gonna add it. Perfect. Oh.
Oops. So we had just a little technical problem,
Yeah, okay, I'm adding it back.
and we are waiting that Katy can connect.
Everything together. It's connecting, it's connecting, it's connecting.
It's connecting, so Katy, can you show us? I think it's appear after I can.
Okay. I go here. Oh, this is funny.
So, and also the screen record was gone for a while, so you need to show us what just happened, okay? It's okay, that one, yeah.
Sure. Okay, I go here. I go on Spark AR.
Vamos a compartirlo. Also guys, if you have any question, si tienen alguna pregunta, si vous avez des questions,
Just demandez en bas, ask in the comments. Or...
comenten en español, inglés, francés, no hay problema.
Yeah.
Y va a ser nuestro placer responder.
Okay. As you can see, it works.
The only problem that we have right now is that
The person you can see their teeth.
but what we had was a Black Lives Matter face mask.
Right here, wait.
And
Wait 2 seconds. I'm going to. Oh, português. Anthony.
Sim. Eu posso responder em português.
Ele fala em português.
So we are here in the Black Lives Matters. Katy, what we are going to do, if you have the same problem, when you are going to do it, is you are going to go to the material.
Okay, perfect. Now you're gonna go here. See, no? If you do physically paste, yeah, 2 seconds. No.
Physical base and whoa. Say in standard.
Yeah.
Yeah, because a mask that shows your teeth is not very useful. Use a mask, people.
You're very focused on the tutorial technology. And the technology is very funny. Yeah. So yeah, this is the first time that I tried doing with a mask.
Mm-hmm.
I've done it with like different, I tried once the 6ix9ine one, like putting all the things and the tattoos. It was very funny.
Like here, we are going to show, because I don't have an iPhone, we'll show you how it is. Yes, vamos a dejarlo así por ahora.
Mm-hmm.
And what we're going to do, an extra point, is to watch if we can add a background.
Instead of doing a face filter, it's going to be a background filter. And this part is Anthony's going to explain it. It's going to be a little bit faster, I think.
Yeah.
Because, we explained everything, where it is, how it works a little bit here in Spark AR. So, yeah.
And also, there are a little detail that I want to add is how you can export this from Spark AR to your phone. It's very easy to. What you are going to need is just to go. Let me show on the screen. You need to go in this part of the screen, go down in Test on Device. You click. I will show you. If your device is connected via an USB cable, you can send this to your device. If not, you can send to the app. As Spark AR is already connected to my computer, it's already connected to my Facebook account, I can send them to my Facebook camera, but in this time I'm going to send it to my Instagram camera. And it's pretty cool because once you have that, we give you a link.
And so you can share it with your friends or family, anyone, basically.
A test link. And what I'm going to do is to share the link in the comment here in the video so you can test it too.
Right here.
Dun, dun, dun. The comments. Oops. Oh, wait.
There we go. Okay, so guys, do you have any questions, any requests that you want us to do? Because we can do another Italiano. I'm sorry, but I don't speak Italian. I don't think Anthony speaks Italian. I know how to say donna.
In the meantime, when we are going to share,
Anthony has its phone.
I'm going to Instagram. And in Instagram, as I import the feature in my Instagram, you can see the last button is try this filter. It will ask me if I authorize, I say continue, and that will open my screen.
Where is it? Okay, perfect. Continue.
So as it's open my screen, let's see that work.
I don't have questions. It's okay. Okay. You see, the filter works.
Now with Kathy.
Oh la la, wait, where is my face? You see, I'm trying to get it with, oh voila.
Yes, I'm going to send you the link in just a second.
Haha.
And I'm going to share the link
Of
of this project
Yeah.
here in the comment.
Okay, so
And
I think you have to go on Spark AR and you can download it on the website.
Yeah, that's the link that you
Okay.
can use to share.
The Instagram filter?
Please take a picture and show us if it worked.
Yeah.
And for Spark AR, I think it's just to go
On the website, you go on the website and then you can download it. It's very easy. It's not that hard. Guys, how many time it takes for Instagram to approve the filter?
That's a great question. So we're going to show you a little bit how you can make your filter approved. And it's very easy. In the same Android where you test your device, you are going to upload. So to do that, it will first ask if the filter meets all the requirements. What are the requirements? The requirements is the size. If you are going to share your filter in Facebook, it's not the same as if you are going to share the filter on Instagram.
Yeah.
In Instagram, you only have 4 megabytes to do. That's why, just a second, that's why here, I open the asset summary. To find this, we're going to show.
You're gonna click
View.
on the view, and then you're gonna do show asset summary, and right here is gonna tell you exactly how much size does it have
For each device. This is super cool because it will let you know if you are doing the things right, or if not, if you need to change something to be able to upload. So let's go back. So it meets all the requirements, meets all the compatibility, and it asks you if you want to publish a new effect or update a new one.
the existing one. So if you already did one effect and you wanted to change some things, make it better, you can click on that, and that's just gonna update your own effect. Yeah.
So to reply for that question, I will say it will take between 4 and 10 days. It's a normal time. During Corona times, it takes a little longer, but right now, I think it's the process only 1 week.
Yeah.
So let's go back. I need to open my
Facebook account.
Facebook account. When you go, you are going to go to the Facebook page. Let me see if I can open here.
But you can go on your Facebook page, Instagram page, and just what's that? Just
And just put the different question that it will ask you. For example, what are the public? What is the name? How you are going to use it?
Yeah.
Things like that. What we are going to do for the last one is
It's
to
a
show
zero
you
going.
that you don't need to start from zero when you do a when you do a project on Spark AR. What's pretty cool is if you go to File, New From Templates, it shows you that you can create an effect with eye colors to change your eye color, to change the face decoration, to change your background.
You want to do makeup for the girls? The filters that we use, yes. Or if you want to do a 3D animated poster, that's something different. But yeah, right now what we're going to do is we're going to do a background change thing.
Could be, yeah.
Anthony? Yeah.
We click just in the background.
Takes a little bit of time. Ah la la.
In the meantime, do you have any question or do you have any filter idea that you would like to create after this presentation?
Perfect. Right here. Click on it. Perfect.
Save.
Oh, you don't need to save it. It's already saved.
Okay.
Yeah, it has 3 opened.
My God, ese es el que tienes que abrir.
Yeah, guys, make sure that when you click on it, you don't have 500.
Se quitó, entonces tienes que abrirlo de nuevo para que aparezca.
You have to be very patient and not like me, because when the page doesn't work, I click 300 times, and then it opens 300 pages. Then I have to click them all, and it bugs my computer. So, the moral of the story here is you have to be patient.
For those who ask how you can search for Spark AR, let me show you real quick. Share my screen. Oh my God, Kathy.
I'm sorry.
So you can search Spark AR. The second one is to download. Yeah, as you can see, you can share your effort on Facebook and Instagram. And it's because Spark AR was acquired by Facebook years ago.
I'll apply to school projects and give my team a better identity. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, that will be really good. So you click here and it will. Also, you can learn a lot because they give you tutorials on one-on-one how to do it. And I recommend you to search for it. Please share your idea with us.
It's working.
Okay, so we are waiting, Kathy.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's just that I did the error of putting way too many things at the same time.
No.
Okay, yeah, here I'm just gonna put this one. Yeah, let's try it. Right here.
¿Estás lista, Pochi?
If you have any idea of other projects also that you want to see us doing, we can also put it in the comments, or any tutorials of anything we can show you.
Yeah. Oh, we want to share and thanks
Technovation Girls Canada. Yeah. Thank
We
you.
want to thank Technovation who sent us cool swag. For those who don't know what is Technovation, it's a program for girls to teach them how to program, but also how to create a business that can solve a community problem.
Yeah.
Katia and I have been participating in that program in the last 2 years, me as a mentor and she as a participant. And I have been mentoring her team, so it's pretty cool. And
It's all around the world.
yeah,
We participated in Montreal because it's near us. And
but there is also chapter, I'm going to put it, there is also chapter in Bolivia, in Brazil, in Mexico, in Colombia. I think they have one, so you can participate, or you can share with your family to participate. And I believe it's this Sunday that you want to do the talk.
Oh yeah, this Sunday we're gonna do a live stream and talk about my experience on Technovation and how it works, how the program.
How was the program? What you have been learning. We are going to share with you how you can participate too. So if you want to participate,
or if you have a little sister or family member, it's for girls, obviously. And
but that doesn't mean that
you
guys cannot participate.
You can be a mentor and mentor other girls and show them your experience, tricks, and how do you say that? Advice and yeah,
It's
to
pretty
guide
cool.
them.
So see you on Sunday. So subscribe to the channel. We are going to share the different live stream that we are going to do for next week and for this Sunday about Technovation with the global team. I hope you like it.
Right now we're going to show you the background. Anthony's going to do it in a few seconds. Voila, background. Yeah. So I'm going to put it right here. Is it that one? Or is it that one? Okay, let's be sure. Here, I'll switch your screen.
Pasó?
¿Qué pasó? Es this one.
Sí.
Ahora.
Bueno, aparece.
Sparky or Max Pursuit. Okay, we're having a little bit of technical problems. What's happening? Okay.
So seems that we have a technical problem. And what we are going to do is to do another live stream where we can share with you how to do the background. And in the meantime, you can share with us any ideas, and we can do your idea instead of the background.
Yeah, and you can show it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna show you your filter, and we're gonna, if you want, we can send it to you also.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's sorry for the inconvenience. Just that we have a little technical problem. As I told you, don't open way too many pages at the same time, and be patient when you click it just one time, because you will have the same problem as me. I'm sorry.
And thank you very much to be with us. It's always a pleasure. And see you Sunday to talk about Technovation.
Thank you.